Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video clip. I'm going to talk about degaussing, which is the process of demagnetizing your hard drive so that your data does not remain in the storage after you delete them from your computer. So if you look at what is going on there, I am extracting the hard drive from the casing. There's a green casing there that encloses the hard drive. So I happen to have a tool there, the screwdriver, to take it out of the casing. And after I do that, I put it inside the tray. Right now I'm extracting the hard drive from the tray. That one has been degaussed, so I just took it out and inserted a new one while still trying to extract the other one. So multitasking for you there. So it sits there for a while and then makes a pop sound to let you know that the degaussing is complete. So as you look at what is going on there, I am taking my time, trying to relax while enjoying the process and observing it play out. So I'm still extracting that one there, and the one inside the tray is done. So I take that one out and I grab another one from the box and I put it there. Pretty easy process. The hard part here seems to be extracting the hard drive from that green casing there. The other processes are easier. It's as simple as extracting, as simple as retrieving the hard drive, the already degaussed hard drive from the tray and inserting a new one. But the process of using the screwdriver to extract the hard drive from the casing is a little harder than the other aspect of the task. So as you can see there, I'm trying to move the camera so you can watch closely what is happening there with the machine. The process at a close range. So I'm going to let you enjoy that a little bit. The tray seems to be stuck, not really, but as I make a second attempt there, it comes off. And I'm able to change the hard drive again. Oops. You can see that again. Sometimes it looks like it's stuck, but it's not. It's just the way I open it. The angle there makes a difference. If you don't tilt up, it's not going to open right away. So I was making the mistake of pulling it straight rather than tilt up and pull. So as it turns out, I discovered I was going to sit there for long, so I had to sit down and go through the rest of them. Those are the very few that are there on the front of the machine. There are several other HDDs, which means the hard drive disks, in the carton beside me, and many more beside that box or curtain. Those are my tools, screwdrivers, and that's my key in there. So I think this will last approximately an hour, 30 minutes or so to get everything done. And those are very heavy. The hard drives are very heavy. I have two cartons of them, and they are heavy. Taking each carton or box up the flight of stairs was see my dry hand there from handling so many of those. My hands, the back of my hand, it's very dry, you can see that. And so it's called data eliminator. So what it does is pretty much demagnetize the hard drive and makes your data unrecoverable. So it's not enough to use a hard drive and then throw it away and put a new one. That doesn't eliminate your data. Anybody who is determined can recover deleted data from a hard drive or any kind of storage at all using a specialized tool or application. And there are many of them out there that somebody can order and be able to extract files that were that are in a discarded storage. That was my alarm. Okay, remind to watch soccer game today at 2 o'clock. Live soccer. There are more of them. More of the discs. As I said, they are very heavy, especially when collected in a big box. Luckily, when I was taking them back downstairs to put in the vehicle, I had a helping hand, somebody who helped me carry the second box, and I made it easier rather than taking a multiple trip. So this process doesn't address everything about data security. There are so many aspects of data security, but this involves at this micro level permanently erasing data on your hard drive. It does not address good password management. It does not address things like good backup and recovery plan. It does not address things like being aware of social engineering, a process where somebody can, out of false pretense, get some compromising information in an organization or institution, maybe by wearing a disguise or befriending somebody who works there to get compromising information on the organization or institution. Some competitors of an organization can do that, so they can gain a competitive advantage in the market. They can go and fish for compromising information in a company's premises or in a trash can. So disposing of a storage without completely destroying the data there is not a good practice. If you have some unimportant things there, you know, it may make sense to take that risk, but when you are handling some really important data items, it makes sense to make sure that the data is recoverable for eliminating the storage, and that includes hard drive, that includes USB or some other type of storage device, USB flash drive. So it's the same process all over again. It repeats. See the machine's process. It goes through charge 1 and charge 2. So charge 2 means it's about done. Right now it's still in charge 1. You as a human being have your own process, and the machine has its own process to go through to get this done. And as we watch there, charge 1 is still going on there. And then we have charge 2. As you can see, from charge 2, it will give you a field strength indicator, and then it says that is eliminated, and tells you to insert the next media. And the drawer is open, which means it's ready for you to pop it open and swap the discs, and the process repeats. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe.